Hey everyone, are you a small business owner? Well, in today's video, I am going to tell you why I believe that you should get Instagram right now and grow your small business with it. So let's jump into the video today. Hey, what's up everyone? I hope that you all had a Merry Christmas. Go down in those comments right now and let me know what your favorite part of this Christmas was for each one of you. If this is your first time here, my name is Zachary Ward. I started Project Passion Productions not that long ago. We are a business looking to help smaller businesses grow and to make a difference together. If you want to jump into this journey with us, make sure to go follow our Instagram and also our Facebook page. And if you go down into the description, you can find some other ways to support our business. And I would love if you would jump in this with me. Also, a little disclaimer, some of the links down in the thing are affiliate links, so if you click them, some of the money will go towards me, but just want to let you know that. So back into the video. Alright, first order of business. Does your small business have an Instagram account? I'm guessing a lot of you do, but if you don't, I would urge you right now to go make one. But if you're a little bit on edge, let me give you some of my reasons why I believe that you should have an Instagram account, especially going into 2020 to grow your small business. Alright, I got 4 ways in which I believe you should get Instagram for your small business. And the first one is, it is just an easy way to grow your business. Number 2, it helps people know that you are relevant. We're kind of growing up in a time and era where being relevant is necessary, and yes, I do understand a lot of us wanted to stick to the old-fashioned pen paper ways, and I'm one of those people who likes older stuff and kind of sticking with it, but I've had to realize that Instagram and Facebook and some of those things are very important things to use in order to grow your business, especially small businesses. So I urge you all to realize you have to be a little bit relevant in order to build your business and grow it. The third one is it helps people become comfortable with your business. People scroll through there, they get to see the things that you're offering, and they sometimes get to go, they type in like a hashtag, they get to see all the people that have been at your business and worked with you, and so it helps give people a sense of comfort as they see what you're doing and they're like, oh, okay, I want to be a part of that. And the fourth one, and I kind of touched on it a little bit earlier, is it's where time is going. Instagram is booming and you can use it and utilize it in the right way and your business will grow 10 times more. And so people are scrolling through Instagram all the time and they're going to look at your thing, and that's what I really want to urge you to understand is it is where time is going. So move with time, but you don't get caught up and get lost in time. When you start it, if you are about to start it and this video is helping, then guess what? The numbers do not matter when you start this. Forget about that. Don't even think about that as you go in. Just do it to grow your business any way you can. 1 to 2 to 4 and so on. If you're kind of like me and you're introverted and you're just kind of like, it's easier for me to hide behind things. You know, I love doing what I do, but I'm not great at, going out and telling people about it. Then this is a amazing way to do that. People can see what you love and what you do and be like, I want to be a part of this. And so that is one of the biggest things. I want you to use Instagram as a way to grow your business and see you succeed, because that's one of the things that we here are founded upon, is helping small businesses grow and making a difference together. So I hope that you will go do that today. Alright, so I hope this video has helped you a lot, and hopefully you will go out and create that Instagram account right now and not waste any time. You don't even have to keep watching this, just go create it right now. If you already have an Instagram account, one of the things that I want to let you know is the next video that I'll be coming out with is how to use Instagram properly. And so make sure you go hit that sub button right now and the bell if you haven't already, so you get notifications when I do come out with that video. I do want to give you a little bit of a hint of what's coming out next, and I want to help you understand more about how to use Instagram. So we learned why I believe you should have Instagram, but if you have Instagram now, I want to teach you how you should be using Instagram as a small business to grow. So make sure to go do that. Alright, I've loved making this video and I hope that you loved it. So make sure to hit that like button right now if you enjoyed this. Also, I just want to urge each one of you again, go create that Instagram account. But for right now, I'm signing off and I will see you next Friday. So, see ya.